it off. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it.
Hi guys, so today we've pretty much just been in our hotel room working on stuff, getting everything ready for our trip to Vietnam, making sure we have all the paperwork, we have the right photos, we have all the things that we need to get into the country. But now we are going to a cooking class here in Chiang Mai
to learn how to make Thai food.
We're so excited. We love food. I love to cook. Zach is just gonna be the partner watching, but he's gonna be eating all of the tasty things we make. We are so excited. I love to cook.
Are you going to a cooking class?
Yes.
Yes. This one we cook with egg noodle. Inside egg noodle is egg and wheat mixed together.
Oh my god, how many people? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 people, right? Okay. So we have only 6 people, no problem. Oh, 7, okay. 1 person don't cook today. But no problem, we can learn together. Okay? Especially you see first when you cook at home, you cook for her, something like that. Okay?
So we arrived at the market that's right by our hotel, and we got pretty much like a lowdown of all the local ingredients, all the ingredients that we're going to be using today, and we found some pretty interesting ones. Like there's different types of lime. We figured out what ginseng really smells like. I always hear ginseng, but like what is that? I don't know. We finally figured out what it smells like. Kaffir lime leaf is like a brand new thing. We're so obsessed. It smells so good.
It smells so good.
So good. And so now we just have time to like look around the market, do whatever we need. We have 10 minutes before we have to be back at the bus, and I'm just so excited that we're doing this. And our instructor, her name is Aim. She is so funny and so excited about everything that this is just going to be such a good time.
If you lost your finger, lost my job as well. You put all your face like me, like this side, 1 and 2, and I have 2 like this. Ta-da! Especially when you use aluminum bowl like this, it's quick to burn. Okay. Count down 5 seconds together. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get more optional by yourself. And then say, oh my god. Ta-da! Put a dining table.
So we are having so much fun. We just ate our first course. It was delicious. Like the best Thai food we have had so far. We had the...
She made it.
I mean, I'm good, but like it was so good. And our instructor was really, really fantastic. She was dancing the whole time. And I'm just like, I'm full already, but we have so much more to make.
If the rice burns, somebody here, you have to walk to the market and buy new rice again. 1, me too. Long time ago, when a guy looking for good wife, the guy, listen to the sound when they make the curry paste, you know, the sound like that girl lazy, no one wants to get married with her. It sound like this, you know. That's a good wife, you know, you get married soon.
Very good, Zach.
Oh.
Very good.
I do it. Around.
The sticky rice you just made.
Go sticky rice.
Do you like it? So good. นะคะ both sides, right to left, left to right, look like a lot. And over here, you press, okay, you can put your finger like me, like this, and press, and then you cross, both sides, no, cross, okay. You need to cross this, you know, if you don't cross, when you fry, the oil will go inside the filling and make your spring roll very oily. Oh my God. Can you remember?
So we just had the best time at the Zab E. Lee cooking school. We had so much good food. Our instructor was amazing. Her name was Aim.
So spunky.
She was so spunky. She was dancing the entire time, which me and Zach can really, really appreciate. She had so much energy. She made it so much fun. And we have a whole book of recipes to take back with us.
And the most important thing, we know why they use the ingredients they use. Like we tried to make this type of food at home before, but we didn't know why.
Right.
So like knowing why you use this basil or why you use this, you know, pepper, it makes a huge difference.
And it was very interesting to learn about. And as foodies, we could appreciate all of it. Like, I am so full right now. My belly is so happy. I say this like a lot, but my belly is so happy right now. And it's time for a nap. Not to mention that they let us go home with our own little container of mango sticky rice. Ah! It couldn't get any better.